Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Courtney-Ann, and on this channel we talk about business and real estate and finance. Today I have a hot new rental for you in the Mona area. It is 1300 USD per month. We're going to be touring the entire property. It is newly renovated from head to toe. You guys are going to be in shock when we step inside. Let's begin. So as you enter the property, you will notice that you have a open concept living. This is the living room area, and at the back there is the kitchen. Like I said, newly renovated from head to toe. Even the ceiling fans are new, guys. So please, I hope you guys really like this tour. I personally fell in love with the kitchen. It was my favorite part. I am a sucker for a nicely colored schemed kitchen. This is what your cabinet space is going to be looking like. You have fresh kitchen fixtures as well. So the sink is brand new. The countertops are brand new. As you can see, they've switched it out for a large enough stainless steel sink. You have more than enough sockets on the wall. They've changed the color of the cupboards to this grayish color that I really do love. They do have a waterfall island in the kitchen as well. Look at that island. So it's multi-purpose. You can definitely cook on it and then you can sit around it. This is the bathroom downstairs. As I said, newly renovated as well, guys. There was nothing here that was out of date. Loving the backdrop or the tiles on the wall. As you can see, they incorporated a lot of mirrors to open up the space. Brand new sink, brand new countertops, brand new showers. Everything was just so beautiful here. I'm going to show you something that you probably didn't expect, and that is your hidden laundry unit. So you have your washer and your dryer. It's just outside of your kitchen. It's in a enclosed area, and you also get a cute little breakfast nook or a little bar, depends on what you want to use it for. This is the bedroom that is located downstairs. You can use this for your helper's quarters because it does have a separate entrance, which you will see in a moment. However, if you want to use it as a guest bedroom as well, that is fine. Or if you just want to use it as a regular bedroom, that's fine too. So that's the entrance that I mentioned. This property comes with air conditioning units right throughout the house, every bedroom, the living room included. And as you can see, there's lots of natural light, lots of ventilation. Another thing that blew me away was how they uniquely added some accent lighting to the steps. Now, it might not look extremely extravagant right now, but just picture this in the night. I, for one, am always clumsy at nighttime, so I know that this will be a plus for me. Here you have some storage under the steps as well. We're going to head upstairs to look at the other bedrooms, guys. This is a 3-bedroom property with 2 bathrooms. So next we're going to step into the bathroom upstairs. It's a lot larger than the one downstairs, and the design is also slightly different as well. But like I said, everything brand new, everything nice and shiny. The backdrop is different from the one downstairs. This was more of a wavy tile texture, which I thought was rather unique. I've never seen this in a bathroom before, but I thought it was perfect. They incorporated large mirrors so that again it can open up the space, and again you have a walk-in shower. Now guys, if you're loving this house tour, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and comment below what was your favorite part. I'm always looking forward to you guys' feedback, so let me know down below. Just outside the bathroom, you have a little storage closet. I would use this as a linen closet to keep my sheets and my bedding, and also to have my toiletries. And then after the linen closet, you have bedroom number 2. So it's bigger than the one downstairs. You have the same amount of windows, but you do get a large closet in this one, and you still have your AC unit, your brand new windy fan, literally the brand windy. And as you can see, the closet is pretty large, so you get closet space below, and you have over space on top for your larger objects or anything that you're not currently using at the moment. And of course, I opened it up for you so you can see inside. Let's step into bedroom number 3. So this is the very last bedroom on the property. Notably, guys, all of the windows have mosquito meshes, And you know, in Jamaica, that's really important. So you can keep your windows open at night and let in some cool, fresh air and sleep comfortably. This is the closet in the last bedroom. Here's that mosquito mesh that I mentioned earlier. And these windows, you can open them out in the day as well. So if you want additional fresh air, you definitely have that benefit. So I'm just standing at the back of the room so that you get a full scope of how large the room is. Now this closet is a little different because the setup is different, most definitely. I would classify this as the master bedroom and the master closet because, as you can see, the nature of the closet is a lot different. It's a lot more spacious if you ask me. So you could definitely customize this the way you would like. So let's take one last look at the bedroom, and then I want you guys to let me know what you think. After this, we're going to step outside and look at the exterior of the property. I'm going to be showing you the backyard coming up next. So this neighborhood, there's not necessarily a tall fence, but there is indication to show where your property stops. They have a lot of banana trees on this property, guys, so you won't be short of food. That was a little joke. But moving right along, we're going to step into the backyard. So you have an outdoor sink. So separate and apart from the in-unit laundry that you have an outdoor sink, and you do have a clothesline. Now, I'm not sure if the owner is going to clear these trees. I'm really not sure. However, if they do decide to do so, you can utilize the space to basically do anything that you want to do: barbecuing, playing, social gatherings, etc. All right, guys, so let's take one last look at the back of the property, and then let's head back to the front where I have something rather unique to show you. Two things, actually. So I'm just walking back to the side here, and then number one that I wanted to show you was this amazing view. I had to save the best for last, of course. Look at those mountains, the beautiful Kingston view, those palm trees. It's absolutely amazing. After this, there was one last thing about the property that I noticed, and it is that the driveway was also newly customized, guys. So look at the neighbor's driveway and look at yours. That's it for this week's property tour, guys. If you love this rental, let me know below. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.